Good morning children. Hope you all are doing good. So this class we are going to write lesson number 1 class work. Okay. Everyone take out 200 pages 4-line book. Okay. 200 pages 4-line book. So here you can write your name and grade first. And section, if you belongs to Aster, you can write Aster, or else you can write Daisy or Iris. Okay, and write subject science class work. Okay, and here in first page you can see the index page. There also you should write your name, standard, division and subject. Okay, after writing this, what you have to do, take your book like this and you can write in this science class work like this in a same manner. Okay, now you can take first page and we are going to write now lesson number 1 class work. Take a fresh page and write the date. Today's date you should write inside margin, that is 15/7/21. Okay, so after writing the date, you should write lesson number 1. Then lesson name, plants around us. Plants around us. So after that, leave one line and start the first main, keywords. So first main, you write new words. New words. So the first one is stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. Second one, trunk. T-R-U-N-K. Trunk. Third one, shrubs. S-H-R-U-B-S. Shrubs. And fourth one, herbs. H-E-R-B-S. Herbs. Next page, write the fifth new word, that is support. S-U-P-P-O-R-T. Support. And sixth one, climbers. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Climbers. Seventh one, creepers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. Creepers. And next eighth one, write thorny. T-H-O-R-N-Y. Thorny. Ninth one, branch. B-R-A-N-C-H. Branch. Tenth one, sunlight. S-U-N. Sunlight. L-I-G-H-T. Sunlight. Okay. Now the key new words is done, children. Now we are going to write next main, that is answer the following. Write the second main, answer the following. The first question, what are trees? What are trees? Question mark. Give one example. Give one example. Full stop. Now write the answer. Very big plants. Very big plants are called trees. Example, mango tree. The first question I am repeating once again. What are trees? Question mark. Give one example. Full stop. Answer. Very big plants are called trees. Example, mango tree. So now we have to leave one line and start the second question. That is, what are shrubs? What are shrubs? Question mark. Give one example. Full stop. Give one example. Next, answer. Small and bushy plants are called shrubs. Full stop. Example, rose plant. Rose plant. Now I am going to read the second question once again, children. What are shrubs? Question mark. Give one example. Answer. Small and bushy plants are called shrubs. Example, rose plant. Now leave one line and we can start third question. Third question is, what are herbs? What are herbs? Question mark. Give one example. Give one example. Answer. Plants smaller than shrubs. Smaller than shrubs are called herbs. Example, tomato plant. Tomato plant. Now I am going to read third question. What are herbs? Question mark. Give one example. Answer. Plants smaller than shrubs are called herbs. Example, tomato plant. And leave one line and we can start fourth question. Why do creepers grow on the ground? Why do creepers grow on the ground? Question mark. Answer. Creepers have soft and weak stem. Soft and weak stem. So they grow on ground. So they grow on the ground. Now I am going to read fourth question, that is, why do creepers grow on the ground? Answer. Creepers have soft and weak stem, so they grow on the ground. So if you have any extra line, here only you can write, refer textbook for your exercise, children, or else take a fresh page and write refer textbook for exercise. Okay, now from starting I am going to show the pages, children. So first you have to write your date and write lesson number 1, plants around us. So after that leave one line and you can start new words. The first one, stem. Second one, trunk. Third one, shrubs. Fourth one, herbs. Fifth one, support. Sixth, climbers. 7, creepers. 8, thorny. 9, branch. 10, sunlight. So after that, second main, answer the following. There are total 4 question and answer. So everything I have read already, children. The same manner you should write in your classwork. Okay. So if you have any extra lines here, you can write refer TP for exercise at the last, or else you can take a fresh page and you can write. Okay. This is very important. Okay. Write neatly, children. I will be checking in the interactive session. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.